In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect two controllers to your Xbox One. It's super simple process and it works on every Xbox One model, including the Xbox One and Xbox One S and X. So if you are setting up for coupe, split screen or local multiplayer, just follow along. Before connecting anything, grab your second controller and make sure it has fresh batteries or rechargeable battery pack. Once it's powered on, you can connect it to two different ways. So find the sync button on the controller. On the top of your Xbox One controller, you will see a small button with three wavy lines. This is the sync button. The location depends on your Xbox One model. On some models, it's a circular button on the front. On others, it's a simple button on the side with the wireless symbol. If you are unsure where it is, check your manual or quickly search your exact console model online. Now press and hold the sync button on the console. Quickly press and hold the sync button on the controller. Both devices will start blinking rapidly. After a few seconds, the blinking will stop and that means the controller is now connected. You may be asked to choose a user profile or add a guest. Once that's done, the second controller is ready to use. If wireless pairing doesn't work or you prefer a wired setup, you can use a USB cable and plug the micro USB or USB-C cable into the controller and the other end directly into the Xbox One console. The controller will connect automatically, no pairing needed. Choose whichever method you prefer, wireless or wired, and you will be able to connect multiple controllers to the same Xbox One with no problem. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.